Problem 4, Cecil has D dollars. Rick has 3 times as much as Cecil. So Rick has 3 times as much as Cecil, and Cecil has D dollars. Ann has 40. Okay, so we have Cecil with D, Rick with 3D, and Ann with 40. If all three put their money together, how much would it be? Well, you have here's Cecil's amount, plus here's Rick's amount, plus here's Ann's amount, 40. So there you have it. However, please note, these go together. So the best way to write the answer is they would have altogether 4D plus 40. Number 5, if A is -2, evaluate -3 times the absolute value. Okay, remember those are absolute values. So let's plug in. So -3 times the absolute value of 2 times what is A? -2. Take away 1. And then minus the absolute value of -2. All right, we need to evaluate all this inside here first. So multiplication is more important. 2 times -2 is -4. And then -4 minus 1 is going to be -5. So we have -3 times the absolute value -5 minus the absolute value of -2. Well, let's go ahead and do those absolute values. So we have -3 times the absolute value of -5, which is +5, minus the absolute value of -2, which is +2. Now we just have to evaluate. That's -15 minus 2, which is -17. Number 6, evaluate 100 minus A, which is -2, times B, which is -5 squared. Now remember, we need to put that in parentheses because we're squaring a negative number, and squaring will happen before we do the multiplying. So it's 100 subtract -2 times -5 times -5 is +25. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this -2 times -25, which is -50. What happens to subtract a negative? That's going to change to plus, and we're going to get 150.